Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your disapproval. Secondly, you can see friends in this video I have provided you most amazing and most trending crochet article. It's very beautiful and trending crochet articles. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so outstanding, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful and popular collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet articles. It's very beautiful articles for them. I hope they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet articles. Thank you everyone for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outcast collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your project articles. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video. And very important question in your mind is, what is crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun fact about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning a hook, and the first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide and million people are now very well. Whether we are a beginner and or an experienced crocketer, there's always something new to learn or create. And happy working and viewers, crochet is a very wonderful hobby. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters, dresses, accessories, bags, wallets, phone cases, AirPods cases, home decor, blankets, pillow covers, and coasters, kids' toys, stuffed animals and dolls, granny squares, Afghans, shows crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability is to take with any you own thoughtful, customization, choose your own yarn, your favorite color and patterns. Cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common project stitches include chain stitch, single stitch, half double stitch, treble stitch, treble crochet. So even if you are interested and if you know how to crochet, so I can provide you with some basic instruction and resources to get you started, or if you are already an experienced crocketer, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and instructions for your next project. So River, what would you like to know about project? I hope you all are understand uh, all the questions are solved in your mind about what is crochet. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so River, like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.